friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am opening the January Simply Earth recipe box. If you haven't heard of Simply Earth, it is a recipe box that gets shipped each month to you. It's $45. You get way more value than that always. Its value is $234, which is crazy. Sometimes it's close to $300, but it's usually between $100 and $200. But anyways, you get 4 oils, recipes, and things to make the oils with my coupon code, which will be down below. It's TOREYNOORAFREE. You get a $45 gift card sent to your email to use on future purchases, so it's a great deal. Then you order your first month, you'll also get a big bonus box. So it's like 3 times the size of this, and it has like containers and coconut oils and things that you'll need for just different recipes like rollers and things. So it's an incredible deal. They're all about educating you. You get access to a free Essential Oils Heroes course, which is really cool just to learn like the basics and how to use your oil safely. They are all about that. So those are some of the reasons I love them. They also give 13% back to help end human trafficking, which is crazy, and that's like unheard of. So I love that. I love them, and I've been sharing them for over a year now, and I just share what you get in the box. But if you've been a subscriber or you already have some essential oils in your collection already, and you see that something is like a duplicate in your collection, or you already have lavender, say you can swap out. So that's really cool too. But this is just what comes standard in the January box. Okay, so first I will just share the oils. And I have a sinus infection. That's why I'm speeding through this, trying to get through it quickly, because my ears are plugged and I can't hear anything. So sorry for my voice. Here's the first oil. This is Sweet Dreams. This is a blend that we already have in use for the girls' diffuser in their bedroom at night. It smells very light, and I think it's lavender is the main. It's marjoram, lavender, cedarwood, Himalayan, German chamomile, and frankincense. So it's a very sweet and relaxing scent. We love this one. Ooh, it's so like herby, sweet, and calm. We love this a lot. I'm actually running out, so I'm glad that I got this in this box. The next oil is lavender, but this is a 40-42 blend, so it's just a different blend. The constituents are a little bit different. So it's lavandula officinalis blended to have 40% linalool and 42% linalool acetate. So it's just a little bit slightly different. Down below or in the blog post, I will put why this is different and cool. To me, it does have a slightly, it's less sweet than just a regular lavender that you would find. It's awesome. France is where it's from. Calms and relaxes with a fresh floral aroma. They also have a Simply Pure Promise right here, so you can go on. They share testing. Their quality is really good. You don't have to worry about that with them, and the recipes are formulated by an aromatherapist, so also really cool. The next oil is oregano, which is really good for a lot of different things. It's a very powerful essential oil. I'm excited to see what they're going to use it for. It's from the herb, and it is from Greece, and the aroma is herbal and peppery. We'll crack this one open and just give you a quick. It's kind of, what did it say? Herbal and peppery? It's kind of herbal and like rubbery to me. My nose is very off right now though too. But it's not like one you're gonna I'm gonna diffuse oregano today. It's very like an intentional oil to do some really cool different things, especially during cold and flu season. Next one is Peace and what is this? Peace and Quiet. And this is another blend, another great one for relaxing. The theme of this month, that probably would have helped too, is lotions and balms, body care. So Sweet Dreams, and then this is are really going to be good oils for making lotions. Sweet Orange, frankincense, cedarwood, and lime. I have had this one before too, another one that we've gone through. Marie's favorite blend of essential oils, she's our oldest, is lavender and orange. This doesn't have lavender, but it has the orange. Just like the freshness of that is really good, but it's also calming. Frankincense, cedarwood just kind of gets you in a calm mood, and lime and cedarwood just make you happy. Okay, so I don't know if I showed you this yet or not. So the oils come like this, and then in this side is the recipes and things you'll use to make your recipes. My ear is hurting more and more as I go, so I'm trying to hurry. Okay, recipe cards is what I'll show you next. There are 5, 6. I think 6 different recipes, and they're really cute too, and they have a little box you can buy on their website to store them in. Fresh and floral body milk is the first recipe. So it will tell you what you need. Some household, like regular household ingredients, won't be included in the box, like obviously water. Almond oil will come in your big bonus box. Vegetable glycerin does come in here. So there's that. Comes in a little bottle, so you'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of this for this recipe. Oregano oil, lavender oil, and then from your home you'll need a container, a 4-ounce sealable container, and the hand mixer, so you'll have to mix it together. Body milk, that sounds really good. Intention diffuser blend. Ooh, I love that, all about being intentional. So there's that one. Oh, on the bottom, on the bottom of each, or the back, sorry, of each card, there's more information too. So this is a sneak peek at next month. This one had the recipe continued. The next one, oh, sorry, I'm trying to fly through and I skipped. So the Intention diffuser blend. So basically, you will get empty essential oil bottles, just like this, but empty without a label. And you will make your own blend with these oils, which is kind of fun. And then they also give you labels. So you will have a label for the roller and then for the blend that you'll make right there. So that's always nice. Let's see, which one did I? Okay. At Peace Roll-On. So this is, you're going to put a couple of drops of essential oils and then some coconut oil to dilute in a roller, which will come in your big bonus box. And there is that one. But basically you're just putting 1 drop of Sweet Dreams, 2 lavender, 3 Peace and Quiet, some coconut oil, and mix it up. And there is a label on here for you, so you can label your recipe, your roller. Clarifying Honey Solid Lotion Bar. This is fun. So this one, they also send the little mold to make your lotion bar. And I think these are really cool, especially for travel or if you have kids. Solid products like this, different like balms and solid lotions are easier in my opinion. But anyways, you'll need coconut oil beeswax, which I think that comes in here. This is emulsifying wax, but you get beeswax in your big bonus box. Almond oil, emulsifying wax, Peace and Quiet, oregano, the mold, and then from your home you'll need honey and water, and then a food thermometer so you can check your temperature on your recipe as you're making it. Luxurious Lavender Body Polish. So this one, ooh, you're making a like scrub. So you'll need almond oil in your big bonus box, emulsifying wax, sugar. So you will need sugar from home, and then a container, and then you just put lavender in that too. And it gives you, you know, every step you'll need to make. And then the back of that one is a note from Katie. That's the aromatherapist that makes the recipes. And then the last one is Sweet Dreams Natural Lotion. Okay, so you're gonna need distilled water, vegetable glycerin, coconut oil, solid, which comes in your big bonus box, emulsifying wax, beeswax, almond oil, Dreams essential oil. You're gonna use 60 drops, which is a lot. It's like half the bottle. And then from your home, you'll need a jar to put it in, a thermometer again, and then your hand mixer. And then a couple of these have been an optional ingredient is a GeoGuard ECT preservative, which I'm pretty sure we've gotten in a box previous, so I have some in my like stock bin, but that's optional, and that's to preserve your lotion so it will last a little longer. Again, all labels are here. You get the mold and the glycerin. This is the what came in that little side panel. Let me know what questions you have. I get a lot of questions on Simply Earth. I try to just speed through and share this, but let me know what specific questions you have. A lot of you ask, like, what is this in comparison to? Do I like this better than Young Living or any other brand? And the answer is it's not like a yes or no. There's just a lot of things that go into it, but we use these oils regularly, and I love getting this box. It's really fun, and I love that they're all about educating you and really just getting your hands in and using the oils that you're buying at a great price. And they're just great. So let me know what questions you have. My link will be in the description. There's a blog post too, so make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.